So we've decided to pull off on the road and see if we can navigate up this hill here. So kind of let's just see what happens.
Alright, this is base camp 1.
Holy shit, okay. Alright, let me rest. Okay.
Video of me in case this is the last thing I ever do.
So
Last thing you see me alive.
this is him. And you see where those two are. So you see the fitness level.
I'm big bone.
I'm with you, homie. Fuck, here we go. Holy shit. Go this way. And we're gonna go up. We'll keep going. Alright. Here we go. Holy shit. Okay. We are at some crazy elevation. Okay, wait. What's going on, scouts? Damn it, I didn't bring my asthma.
So you still think it's 8 hours?
This will be a whole 2 days.
I'm up there. Now we come on the short side.
Oh my God. There's no way. What is this? Oh, I know what this is. This is, oh! I wonder if this is either earthquake or a repeater for ham radios. Okay, you know I got that on video. I don't know what this is. It might be a repeater for... God damn, I can't catch my breath. Shit. Fuck. Here come my boy, Randy. Randy! What's over here? Let's take a look.
Somebody play the rock theme. I got you.
Whew. There you go, dog. That's what I'm talking about. And of course, you see Doug. Wait. And here goes Doug. So I guess we're gonna.
What is that?
Oh God, my knees! Lord have mercy, why did I jump? Wow, that is some cool ass view. Oh shit, yeah. But see, Doug, this is what I'm talking about. Dre got to get back in the gym. Cause seriously, I ain't gonna lie. If I wasn't breathing so hard, I'd be like, let's walk. Let's keep going. Let's keep going. Look at all this beautiful forest.
There's like a. Looks like there's probably an overlook down there.
Where? That one right here, or?
If you come over here.
Yeah, it's cool. It's just that first jumping down, woo, that impact.
Down there.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
I think it probably drops off after that.
Right where that tree is.
Yeah.
But I mean, that part is flat. You see that?
Yeah.
It's all flat right there, so yeah. That'd be kind of cool. But yeah, I ain't gonna lie. I wish I just had the ability not be tired and just be able to just all of this. Walk all of this. Cool ass beans. Where they at? Woo! There they go. Ooh, I'm gonna take a picture. Hold on. All right, that's enough of video.